A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Put a like, leave a comment, and make we get straight into this. If you want to reach out to me, 876-277-3254. Alright? So, I don't know what we're talking about tonight. So, I'll share this with you. So I say this on Jamaica Gleaner website. Alright? So, I must hear it already, but I just share it with you because I don't know if I want to look for me for certain things. Alright? A flight with the first set of Jamaican deportees under the new U.S. President Donald J. Trump administration landed at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston today, guys. Some are now being processed and released to families, while others into the custody of the police. Wow. Deportation flight from U.S. lands in Jamaica. Allegedly, me hear say at 300. I try to look on yourself to see how much, but the first set land, guys. So, me hear some other bloggers say at 300. So, anybody can confirm with that can comment below. But I'm going to put up a picture here so you can see it. Legitimate thing. So, yeah, guys, them serious. 300 that, so who are going to be next 300? Who want to be in 500? You know, pretty at all, Jano. So, you go, guys. You know? So you go. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. But secretly, we have to be a Latino and get arrested and see it there. Jamaican. Everybody them a go for, guys. I don't want to do that and feel say a Latino alone them a go for. You know, see? Then if playing land today. Eh? You don't want to say nothing more. This is serious. Very, very serious. But I know anything about that in the comment section. Very interested.
They playing land, yes, they playing land. The deportee playing, yes, it land. Today is the 30th of January 2025. And the first plane touchdown with over 300 deportee. Running from Jamaica, go over there. Some of them dirty like same way. In respect. Jump is a man to him bird, and see when them land and man international airport with them back on and shoulder like Africa, them come from a bata. Them confused. Nothing over them I go. Nothing on a family. Family abandon them. Why? Because they never send back that even one US yard. Not even a one room them have done here. So 97 of them process and the rest that way essential. And guess what? Hey, they will have on some of them because they have cases pending. All criminal them, bandit, murderers and robbers. Run from one trouble, now they fall into the hand of the Jamaican trouble. You see what? You see how we want them? Left in a dirty ways. One no hop of foreign. Send down money down here. Not be a blasting. Not be a boasting. Not be a Clarks and Nike and Adidas and champagne and big vehicles and pay much $1,000 rent. And I show up and see them now. See them now. And look at. Don't make them come telling about 5,000 to the port. Lie. Over 70,000 of them. Enough of them run away and gone. Watch and see. Watch and see. They playing land. Yes, they playing. And what them are going to do? What them are going to do? This them family and see there. Look where them come back to. This them yard and see there. Throw stone back at them and see there. Cause Jamaica say dirty and stink and see there. Ignore people down here and see there. Style me and can me. Not even send a $50 can give it and see there. Backyard, I beg and I plead. Them so mad, but the police is there for them. And citizen, take on the piano queue. Don't sorry for them because them never sorry for them up there. They playing land, just they playing land. Much reporting in Jamaica land.
Comment below, guys, and tell me what you think. Alright, I'm going to share one story here. That's a little brief story with a 71-year-old man in runoff in America. He man document, but he man work and he man send money can give him mother. But inside I'm worried because the video I post last night where they said them a clamp down on sending money from illegal people where they're overseas were sent back to Jamaica. So, him in a good spirit, but he's saying kind of, him worried. So, me have a little interaction with him, but, you know, me and him did a talk, so I have to change the voice. And then now, we want to listen what some other people have to say about other legal thing and, you know, US thing. And also wanting to check out the guy. The guys say a lot about owning a house in America, etc. The whole thing. You know, it's a whole community, a whole heap of story in a one. So when I like the video, I want to share it. We go continue to drive and listen.
Down a further with Western Union. Boy, what a thing, sir. Boy, if this ever end all where we there, boy, to me, a problem to me there, because number one, me have him, my mother, I had, me have my daughter. Well, boy, me have to support them, you know. And every 2 weeks, me send a thing for my daughter. Every month, me send a thing for me mother. So, boy, me have some responsibility here, boy. I would like that we just went. Boy, that we just a boy cramp me bad.
You feel as an undocumented person where up in our age in America? How you feel?
Boy, yeah, man, to be honest, anything, you know.
True.
Because here what now. When you come on from me yard, me no cross. Yeah, me have a nice house down there. And since in the last month, me change the roof cost for $1 million. $1 million it cost me to change the roof. Right, I know me call a man today, a painter. And he might go to paint. He might go to paint the building. He might go to Friday. Go give me the estimate. And you'll get that done. So me up here, me take care one with my
Yeah, set a little thing for in case.
How are you, man?
I will only with the one place undocumented, though.
See, I'm going to tell that, man. But me no say, me personal, me a worry myself a little bit because you know why me a worry? Me have my mother way and my responsibility.
Your mother how much?
My mother 98 man.
And you how much again?
Me a 71 now.
71. And you run off in America about how much you know?
You know, say March I come make it 2 years.
2 years, wow.
Yeah, but
And you still work and strong. We really love that one.
How are you, man? Me is a traveler, you know. Because, me tell you truth, me I go out of England and married and me just tell me say that's the cancer. You know, and they work out, boy. Some of these women you find, you know, them are ruler, you know. Yeah, so, boy, me just pack up and head back.
By a man, so if you hear any knocking on the door like all night like this.
Yeah, man, we don't want nothing no man. You're so big, man. I see my boss come in every time gone before that man even going up power. And I knock. And me get up me lay down here in the setting. So me get up and look through the glass. Because you know then door carry the glass up at top there. So me get up and me look at me sister. And he laugh, he say, right, nah, man, you know, easy, you know. He say, listen, man, this America, man. He say, me even the home. I'm here knocking on my door. Me just get up and open door, so. You know, in that time, I was serious.
So I want to watch on the TV now.
No, on the TV, I watch your program where you post.
Okay.
But don't Florida then.
Boy,
The boss called me and asked me, no man, how we are watch TV? I said, no man, me are watch MIXUP boss. Is here no, that's why me a call him and I get you.
okay.
Yeah.
But when I wish you all the best, and more you stay
Yeah.
safe and
Yeah, man.
anything. If you have to come, you have to come.
Anything.
Right.
You know when me worry about? One lady up there 68 and I run off. And she don't have a foundation a yard. No, I rent house to live in her. And boy, when we look at the whole situation, boy, it's out here.
How long she over there?
Because little of stomach.
Oh God.
Yeah, boy.
Sticky.
Boy, you rough, you know. Every the moment you turn on your TV, man, every station you look up at, man.
I can run the place, I can change. Yeah, man. It's a whirlwind. It's a storm.
Yeah, man. They were there, man, with that work, man, because I start work for about 7 o'clock, you know. And with that work, and it's about 10 away at Jamaica. Female and male work. And the place, then come in and my brother said, yeah, man, you know, you happen. It's so happen. He said, why? Me, said the man, then there one place that they see. And I 32 somebody there one. And since night, yeah, the same lady when me I tell you about. Come from work and tell me, say, him pass them out the street. With how much he talk about 5 truck line up.
Wow.
Right? We are one because he's a bias in full boss.
Anyway, the general I wish you best at 72-year-old in America, you work and help your mother and so. Kind of criminal, I look at honest bread, but boy, it's sticky. Lord God, for the week, I'll be an immigration case where I talk about. So one news like one plane and one black helicopter or something like so. You know, so was see it on the news there. Sad situation that too. But you know, most of them things are distractions, so that not stop nothing, we still upon it. But anyway, you know, me have me lawyer them, my village lawyer them and my people them who put in them 2 cents on certain topic. More ask you something. With all of this happening in America, one man send me a voice note and I go share it to you know. I say if you don't agree with what the man I say, you comment. It is very important. And people overseas don't get complacent and say yes, me alright, me safe, me good in a Uncle Tom place. I want to listen to the voice note and tell me if you don't agree with him. Alright? I could drive and listen.
It's a story, MIXUP boss. MIXUP boss, let me tell you something, my family. Me I talked to the man last night, Frank. Yeah, me wrong. MIXUP boss, even if you're a citizen yourself, that's why my old lady come back and I build a house. She have a house down at where I don't know if a center you come from, and Portland. MIXUP boss, you know say if you live in America, Macaya, you get certain age and you can't pay a mortgage, you can't pay, so then put you in a nursing home and take your house. Many people don't realize that still. And MIXUP boss, no matter if you're a citizen now, if you do certain things, because we're not born here, we have naturalization. And you have, because my daughter born here, she said she born in the US. What they say me born? Jamaica. I'm a citizen. So don't listen to nobody. We're not born here. We come here, we naturalize here. So anything can happen to it too. If we do certain things. And can take it back and denaturalize us, my brother. But many people now say that. They're going to look on it one way. Oh, we are citizens and we safe. Not go like that, my brother. If you do certain crimes in so detrimental, then take it back from you. You take a longer time to take it back, yes? But they can't take it back. And you know, yes, the law can't change anytime. Let us share that with this man, yeah, man, and keep up the good work, yeah, man. If you live here and you own your house, my brother, then take it from you and put it in a nursing home. That's why my old lady want to live back at Jamaica too. Yeah, that's why she come back. But you can't own nothing here. Once you can't pay the tax, once you can't pay, people just put on a big show. But not like that, my brother. But respect again, man. And manners every time. I'm sorry about that.
Hey, MIXUP boss, good morning. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to voice my opinion on this whole issue. And as we said, just disguise my voice for me, please, for a number of important reasons. I watch your channel all the time, and it's very interesting and entertaining. And, you learn things from it as well. But I agree with you all the time on certain topics, but, we can't always agree on everything. But for the most part, I agree with most of the stuff where you talk about and your opinions and so on. But anyway, let me get into it. This whole illegal immigration thing going on in the US. And I have to put illegal in front of it because people are grown and are spread all kind of fear-mongering, all kind of misinformation. So them are mixing the truth with things where them are make up or things where them think them know. So some of it are true, some of it is not true. Some point I want to make, a couple of points. Jamaicans complain on social media every day what a terrible place foreign or America and Canada and so on is. How them have to work hard and Jamaica paradise and so on and so forth. I don't expect nobody to say nothing negative about them country. So I understand why, a Jamaican would have said Jamaica are the best place in the world. The fact is, there are many good places in the world. America not the only country out there. Canada not the only country out there. There are other countries where beautiful, have beaches, all of them someday, and them crime rate low, and people can live well because them money is strong. So I don't know if me agree say Jamaica are the best place in the world. You can't know that unless you go everywhere in the world and test everywhere in the world so you can make a comparison. So I understand the reason why people just say that because them love them country and nothing wrong with loving your country. But at the same time, be realistic. But I understand the bias. You are going to be biased towards your own country, whether or not you experience other countries. So people complain about the US. A lot of Jamaicans will leave Jamaica, whether legally or illegally, go to the US for how many years. Half of them own, decide say that's where they want to live, whether it is them want to work and go back or them want to live there permanently, whether or not them allowed to do that or not. But at the same time, them stay there and complain. And them try to discourage other Jamaicans from going to the US. So may I say, if time come now where you think you're going to have to leave because you weren't there legally in the first place, what you complain for? Because you say it hard and you talk the most things and just negative stuff while you're living in the people them country. So my question is, why you not happy to go back to your own country? Why you complain because you're unhappy there? The amount of posts I see on social media with people attack or them depressed or stressed out, and everybody agree with them. And even with that, all of them something depends on the situation where you're coming to the US and how you live. It is not terrible for everybody, and nobody wouldn't go there. But, so that's one point. I don't want to go on too long. So the question is, why fret if it's so bad there, right? Next thing, people are quarrel about the immigration thing, or everybody are panic and people claim say them are hide and the streets them in a certain place is empty and them now go out. Them afraid to go to work and them afraid to send them children go to school and so on. The thing is, deportation from the US is not new. Hundreds of Jamaicans get deported from the US, the UK and Canada every month. Over 300 Jamaicans were deported from the US last year. Anybody can look up the statistics for themselves. Over 300. So it's not like deportation and something where normally happen. The thing is, from your there illegally, you have to expect anything. You have to expect anything. So when you go, you try straighten out yourself. People are say, how even if, and this is where the misinformation come in, even if you're green card holder, you're not safe. There are different categories of green card holders. So if you went there illegally, like you cross border, or you went there legally, meaning you get a visitor visa, which permits you for travel to the US, but you only have a certain amount of time and you overstay it, you end up being illegal. So you went there legally, but end up being illegal because you overstay. And even if you, what is happening now is, even if you didn't manage to straighten out yourself, as we call it, you still technically fall in one category where you ended up being there illegally because you overstay your visa. You almost upon the same level as the person who came through the border. So it's the illegal immigrants who need for worry and the people them who illegal and commit crime on top of it. It's not everybody. The US government not say it's going to deport every single immigrant in the US. That is not possible. Them specify who them are talk about, the illegal immigrant them, and now I guess the children associated with those illegal immigrants in terms of you come there illegal and you end up have children, so the status of them children there is now in question, right? So people broad brush the thing and talk about them, hide and them a citizen and them have them passport, but them still afraid and carry on. When certain people say them a citizen and them have them passport, but them still afraid. I don't understand what them a talk about. What them mean? Them go the illegal, straighten out themselves and have them passport now, but them still afraid. People now clarify them something as to what them status is and why them afraid. People just step on the internet and talk about things. But anyway, last thing, people need to start make it look like other countries now deport people too. If you go there and break the immigration laws. Did you know that Jamaica have immigration laws too? And that people do get deported from Jamaica too, back to them country? That Jamaica also has policy where if you overstay your visa, or if you have a criminal record, or if them find you undesirable for being in the country, them can deport you too. And it happened. So the US and UK and other countries where ask people to leave or make people leave them are not the only places where have immigration laws. So my question is, what is the US and the UK and Canada doing that is different from what other people do when them deport people who they don't want in the country for whatever reason? Usually when people illegal or they not have them proper documentation, so on and so forth. That's my question. Every country have deportation laws. Or even if not every single country, at least the major countries them we know about. And as me say, even Jamaica have its own immigration laws and rules. So anyway, those are my views, my opinion. As I say, may I ask if may just re-emphasize, this guy's my voice, please, for important reasons. Having to do with my personal life. I don't really want nobody, yeah.
Yeah, guys. So, on hear it. So, want to get 1, 2, 3. Yeah, me have to do the story them. Me have to bulk them up in a one video. So, when I understand what the lady has said, I don't know if I agree. When I agree with the man about the house thing, let me know below. One thing about the 72-year-old man, when you pack up and come back to Jamaica, I go and do thing. 72, man, take a chance. Anyway, you know, we always do my thing, so I go on a preview of what did go on last night on the show. Join me 9 o'clock. Zane, I could talk. Big up on yourself. I could listen to this.
Go on.
Yes, family. I see 4 missed call from you. Y'all call me from there. What's the purpose of you calling? Talk to me now.
Yeah, that's why I recommend for your program this evening. But about man the America so much, people in America so much for years. And
oh, your voice sound so. Yeah, hot food in your mouth or something. Oh, your voice sounds so rumbling.
And the bathroom is over get a shower.
Oh.
My wife in here.
Yeah, your wife the way?
Yeah, she in a shower, me sit down and look on the phone.
Oh, so you did just up?
Eh?
Oh.
The girl can talk what she want to talk about people in America and say how much years and now no papers and they what this and all them something. If she may look in America and get paper, but he may tell her what him do to man and all them something to get papers. Let me tell you something. There are people that it is not as easy as all. People think it is. If you come here on a visa, it's an agreement you make with them, you know. Then you come in and you're going to pay a certain amount of weeks or whatsoever. And when you go, you decide them and say, you know, go down low. You break the contract. They can penalize you if they want from getting a green card. Okay. They're not going to penalize you because you're coming to the country legally. But all them people are coming through Mexico and so they're not getting any papers. They're only wasting their time.
Yeah, man, we know that already. So which part you call from?
I Jamaica, I don't know, man.
So, you live foreign?
All my life.
So we then do deep here?
Can't.
Huh?
No, they can't.
So you reach back at Jamaica?
They come from a plane, man.
You know, so I must one plane, I could do one ship.
No one could have run the bicycle across the water too.
Oh, so you're there for stay or you're hour?
No, well, me move again. But when I go back up there now, I don't believe me go really. Go back, I come down and I believe me not have time for you up there.
Oh, no one have time for you up there?
Me don't have no time for you. You see what me there? Me say me at America, you know. Me don't know when me go in a big man. Me don't know nobody, you know. When me go up there, me say me go there, look a better life. And me find it. When me there, I do again. Tell me.
Yeah, how much now?
Me should be 80, man.
Oh, you should be 80-year-old?
Yeah,
So much years they do, how much years?
If you see me, you wouldn't believe.
And yeah, that everybody say when them pass 60. So which part over there? Which part over, how long you did over there for?
Oh, what?
How long, how much years?
No years, man, but 40 odd years.
Oh, wow.
Well, but 40 odd years, there's no way about, you can't tell about women on.
Oh, so we achieve as an 80-year-old man.
But they achieve what I want, man. They achieve what I want because me want to put me there for myself. I may get that. What me I worry about? Never did let everything, you know.
That is so true.
I may get 2 rusty hearts pick me. Where the more me want?
How long your wife is married?
How long no me is girl? I really. I'm sure that's not even know. Well, here I go here now. Me married for 7 years up there. Get me paper. We do 3 tour Iraq. All right. Me have American citizenship. Me have England citizenship. I have Jamaica.
Okay.
So I do what me want.
So when you say go Iraq, you're a veteran?
Yeah, man.
Oh, they're serving
Yeah.
the US Army?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
They
Okay.
go up in 1980. October 1980.
Okay. That up?
And me suffer. When I say me suffer, they think I like a try for me to send me to prison. And true, me not play a fool like them. Me no rushing and nothing. Me just take my own calm and get myself and just laugh off of them. All none of them are things for it.
Okay.
But me have them at the handle.
Mm-hmm.
Me don't make them come in too close to me.
Okay.
So when people talk about America and this and that, they don't go like everything pick up there. When me I go for green card, let me tell you how much you pay. It was $505.
Mm-hmm.
And me did it till it go 1,000. Now it is about $3,000 mark. They say you know to work, because you're not a paper.
Mm-hmm.
But them all charge this much money to get a green card. Doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
And green card is nothing at all. Green card is garbage. A man with a visa have more talk more than you. Because when you're ready, you can go. You up there, and when you're ready, you can move.
Okay.
So it is
All right.
hard.
Mm-hmm.
It is hard. And people are talking they do. Me go to see people from when and where. And I know they don't get no papers there.
Mm-hmm.
It needs to tell you certain things, but this is a news carrier.
Mm-hmm.
You can't carry panic.
You can't carry panic. Right. True.
Because
So you know people over there for 30 odd years on the street?
before me go up, man.
And still not straight now?
I know, but can you let them...
Yeah, but what we say now, somebody they are fine for 30 years. That's an example. Where them and them done with Jamaica, because you know them no visit back. Where them have to come to if them go on deportation now? How that go?
Well, them have to come to go on the one bridge.
It's sad.
It's
sad.
It is sad, but listen me, in life, you never cut out the right out for you, to go get and to do it. Everything in life is just a chance to take it. And it may look like 5, 10, 50 years a long time, but it is not a very short time.
Right.
Now, if you go up there, many more people left and go up there. And I see that woman married to one guy. That's about one specific person. The guy's a tractor. When I say tractor trailer, because people call it it's tractor trailer. And it's some part of it is tractor. That's the head. And the bottom part is the trailer. Now, that woman go up there and go people up there because there was a boy when she lived there with. And the boy go up long before him. And the boy was a truck driver. And that woman go up and married to one guy as a truck. And they get her papers. The woman have, I think, a 4 house she have now. Now, when you hear people say they have house, they're going to come back to that. She have about 4 hours now. And our friend, all of them go to school and do together. Roger and Akala all kind of different name and this, that. No, you did the farm so long as you know, she just come and go through the system and have. We have to criticize her for.
That's a lot of Jamaican mentality. Once you see her move up a ladder and success, them always have something to say. But here, I go talk one of them there. Come here, if you move on now and get one next caller, yeah?
Yeah, man, show me anytime you want, man.
Alright, Daddy. Thanks for your little nostalgia thing there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm coming live. And remember to reach out to me, 876-277-3254. Thank you guys. Appreciate you all. What is under my nose? I'm out.